Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, Gajapate, Surapate, Harasuta Prajapita Lambodare, Ringaradesala. Gajakarnakane, Gajakarnakane, gum 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 Ganapate, Gajapate, Surapate, Harasuta Prajapita Lambodare, Ringaradesala. Gajakarnakane, Gajakarnakane, gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, Ganapate, Ganapate. Gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, Ganapate, Ganapate. Gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, gum 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 Ganapate, Ganapate, Ganapate. Krita virajita chitta sabha mein Shankara Shri Nath Prabhu. Krita virajita chitta sabha mein Shankara Shri Nath Prabhu.
Look at her beautiful performances. Look at her concentration on music, flute, and how neat and wonderful she is performing.
A young budding artist, it's so difficult for a teacher. I mean, the age gap and all, and to dance for her energy level, and it's a challenge for Avani also to dance along with the teacher to come up to that mark.
And then dancers get on stage and say, I'm not going to wear this, I'm not going to wear that. He is growing a culture of students who are proud to be in full costume according to Indian culture, and he wears. So as much as I admire his dance, the first 2 minutes I look out for that jewelry, wonder where he's bought it from. I love his taste in costumes.
She just finished her solo performance in Chennai on Saturday and she traveled back to Bangalore to perform. And learning 2 sets of Magam is not easy for her age. So I think Avani, you did a great job. You justified whatever sir had taught you. So